Welcome back. Now that you understand the first 6 tabs, you are now ready to begin creating products on the WarriorPlus network. And to start the process, what you're going to do is you're going to create an offer. You're going to click Offers. What you're then going to do is to create a new offer. Now you're going to need to fill in the general information. You're going to give your product a title. You're going to place your product image, describe it, and then you're going to decide on the category. And when you place your cursor inside of the category area, you're going to see some categories that will populate. You are going to choose the necessary categories from the ones given to you by WarriorPlus. Now the same thing is true for the keywords. And you're going to place your cursor inside of the keyword area. And to do that, you're going to start the process by typing in the first character. And you're going to see that you're going to have a drop-down menu to populate. And when you're choosing keywords, you're going to want to be aware of the marketplace alerts. And we're going to leave the product creation area so that we can look at the alerts area. When you get to the alerts area, you're going to see that there are going to be certain keywords that are going to be followed more than others. If your keyword is one of these keywords, that means then that when your product is going to be released, it will be shown to the individuals that are following these keywords. So if your keyword is one of the most followed ones, you're going to want to enter that keyword in the keyword area. Now that we've filled out the general information area, we can scroll down to the availability area. Now to start the process, you're going to notice then that if you try to turn on your public button, it will not be available to you until your offer is approved by WarriorPlus. What you can do is you can indicate that you do want your offer to be promoted by WarriorPlus if it is then selected as the deal of the day. In most cases, you are going to want to turn this button on. Now, that doesn't guarantee that your product will be selected as deal of the day. It will be considered according to criteria given by WarriorPlus. The screen will then require that you place in your sales page URL. This is going to be your front-end offer sales page that you're going to place here in this area. Assuming that you have a web page set up for your sales page, you're going to choose that sales page and place the link inside of WarriorPlus. Now the pre-launch process is an optional field. Now for the sake of this video, we're going to click Create. What we're going to do is stop the video here and we're going to pick it up from creating your offer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.